I'm Falguni from Formosa Skin, and today we are going to talk about skincare routine for young adults. Remember those childhood days when we had baby soft clear skin? Well, the good old days don't last long. Soon we start with our high school journey and our faces basically get attacked by these foreign little juicy bumps that can last till out early to mid 20s. Oh, acne. Why am I getting acne? What should I apply? All these questions keep coming to your minds, right? It is a time when most young adults wonder about what should be the perfect skincare routine. With a wide array of products overflowing the beauty market, we are often left in a pool of confusion about what will really work. There is a lot of information on potent and active skincare ingredients like AHAs and BHAs, retinols, collagen and what not. As they say, the lesser the better. That is the key to a good skincare routine for young adults. Let's first understand the cause of acne in young adults and how to keep our skin clean and glowing amidst all the stress. Where does it actually go wrong when we step into our teenage years? Well, that is where hormones come to play. The level of the hormone androgen rises rapidly as soon as we hit puberty, and this hormone increases the size of the sebaceous glands present in the association with the hair follicles of our skin. Many of us also start using makeup coming to adulthood phase, which makes beginner of a skincare routine even more necessary. Raging hormones, stress, etc. are various factors that can cause our skin to act up. Before you scroll through several blogs about the famous 10-step Korean skincare routine, stop right there because it is not for you. Young skin tends to be more sensitive than matured skin. Taking care of it can become tricky. Using mild products without making a cocktail of 100 ingredients and not being informed well can lead to irritation or sensitivity. We can't really control the hormonal changes that are taking place during these years, but we can definitely keep our skin clean and bacteria free to ensure that our pores are not clogged. A simple routine of cleansing and moisturizing is a good enough habit that should be inculcated as a habit during these years. Your skin will thank you after a decade. Trust me when I say that. Good idea is to treat your skin as a sensitive skin type at this age, regardless of dryness or oiliness. We come to the basics. First, cleansing. Most of the young adult acne happen due to clogged pores caused by the dead skin cells, dirt, oil and bacteria. Using a mild foam cleanser that is not extremely stripping off the natural oils is a good start. Salicylic acid is a good ingredient when it comes to keeping the pores clean and avoiding acne. It mildly cleans our skin by penetrating deep into the layers and cleaning the pores. My personal favorite is the Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser from Cosrx, which has a good range of cleansers and spot treatments that are good for even sensitive skin. Second, being moisturizing. The cleanser carries away all the excess oils from our skin, making moisturizing a complete given. Moisturizing helps create a barrier on top of the skin, locking in the moisture and protecting it from bacteria and pollutants, making it a necessary step. Many moisturizers with a simple formula, specially curated for teenager skin, are available in the market. Another good brand from Korea that is good with all kinds of moisturizers is Klairs. Pick for sensitive, oily or dry as per your skin. In general, look out for non-comedogenic products. We come down to sun protection. UV ray protection is a must in today's world. Young adulthood involves going out and hanging around during the daytime, dressing up and generally having fun. A good sunscreen with SPF 30 to 50 should be a good investment to make. Look for one that is good for your type and apply it well 20 minutes before you step out. Another favorite brand of mine is Rovectin, which has a range of sunscreens for different skin types and usages, including for sensitive skin. Mineral sunscreens are a safer bet as opposed to the chemical or mixed ones. These stay on the surface of the skin and can be washed away totally. Young teenage people should steer clear of serums, essences and even toners. These products carry active ingredients that are targeted to skin concerns which come much later in life. These are good for mature skins with specific problems like dark circles, pigmentation and aging. Using them is extremely unnecessary and will do more harm than good. Young skin is best left alone most often. Young adults usually have a full lifestyle, a academic projects, assignments, building social lives, love lives, future plans, managing them all can cause a lot of stress. Too much of stress starts showing on the skin. Coupled with hormonal ups and downs can cause acne and pimples that can be really disheartening. Following a multiple skincare routine is not needed. The key is to follow a simple routine of cleansing and moisturizing, where cleansing being the hero, as it is important to wash off all the residual dirt, oil and pollution that is a part of the remains of the day. Well, stay tuned for more informative videos.